Hey everyone, how's it going? This is an Aftership honest review, and we're gonna read the reviews of the people. So 251 5 stars, which is a good thing because only 6 1 stars. But let's read the negative ones at first. As you can see, the pros and cons. Cons is expensive. There are some tracking issues, limited functionality, poor customer support, and limited feature. But the pros, again, as you can see, customer support 120, ease of use 85. So both of these things are in the pros and cons. Be ready to pay for it. The essentials and the pro do not have what you want, so they dislike the hidden cost and things like that. And the person is that useless customer support. Okay, and the person says that okay, customer support. So for most of the people, customer support and buggy software is the main issue. Now let's read the good reviews and see how they are. Another person says that they have excellent customer shipping experience. I think you really gotta go with the software itself to see, because some people are saying that they have good customer service, but some people say they don't. Now let's look at Reddit. They One guy says they like it. Okay, I've been using it for more than 1 year and everything is okay, works as expected. Okay, another person says that use ShipStation, so that's something to keep in mind as well. So Aftership is just an aggregator for tracking links. Go in and plug the number wherever the online tracker comes. I usually don't sweat it. When it shows up, it shows up. Chinese sellers are not for you if you don't appreciate delayed gratification. Okay, so there are mixed reviews on this. I would say really look at the features, but obviously in the market there are better options, and if you can go for the better options, go for it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.